Everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video, guys. And today, guys, I will be showing you how to organize your folders in Google Drive. So yeah, guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah, guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do, guys, is go ahead and open up the official Google Drive website right here and log into your Google account. After logging into your account, guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all of the files that you have in your Google Drive. So as you can see here, guys, under suggested, I have my files that I have been using recently. Here I can see all of my folders that I can group my files into them, and if I scroll down even a bit more, I can see all of my files that aren't grouped into any folder. But yeah, guys, let's go back to the top of the page and look at the left side of the screen. Here you can see all of the ways that you can use for managing your files and viewing your files. You can see your drive, your recent files, your trash, and so on. So as you can see right here, we have our folders. Let's say that we want to organize them to make them look better and so we can easily more access them. I'm going to be showing you a couple of tricks right now and tips that you can use. So guys, the first thing you can do is go ahead and renaming your folders. You can do that by clicking the three dots right here next to the folder name and clicking on rename. After clicking on rename, guys, you can give any name that you want. You can do it alphabetically. You can go or by number so that you can use it and find it better, or something similar. You can give it any name you want. After that, guys, go ahead and put your files into your folders where you want them to be. After putting your files into your folders, you will then easily more find your files. But guys, doing that, and now we can go ahead and filter our folders by, guys, clicking right here over the folders right here. You can find this filter option that you can use. We can select name and then we can use whatever we want. You can see we can select use search by name or last modified. I'm going to go ahead and select last modified, and as you can see now our folder order has changed and our folders are not in the same order anymore. I'm going to bring it back to name. You can select it if you want it to reverse sort direction or not. It doesn't really matter. Whatever you can use whatever option suits you the most so you can more easily find your folders. But yeah, guys, basically that's how you do it. You can go all around and play with this until you find the perfect order for your folders. But yeah, guys, thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.